Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Rainforest Green Metallic 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 4x4 Crew Cab LT, stock number 17G1022A. You do have heavy-duty tail hooks and factory fog lights. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in an 18-inch Goodyear Wrangler tire. You do have running boards along the sides. Inside there's a black cloth upholstery that's in fantastic condition. You have seating for 3 in the front row, and there is seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 6-passenger Silverado. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. As you can see, you've got this great Z71 off-road decal. There is a soft tonneau cover up top that is in great shape. You've got side steps here on the back bumper. There are backup sensors and a trailer hitch. Looking inside of the truck bed, as you can see, it is very clean, and you do have a drop-in bed liner. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. To the left of the steering wheel, you have a 4x4 turn dial control. Stepping inside, on the left side of the steering wheel here, there are cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Above the rear view mirror, there are HomeLink garage door opener buttons, and this is also equipped with OnStar. You do have a great touchscreen display here. This is where your backup camera will show. There is a CD player and an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your dual climate controls. There is a button here for a power adjustable pedal. You've got traction control and hill descent control. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You've got a 5.3-liter V8 engine, which gets you around 22 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on the Silverado or to schedule your test drive, visit holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.